Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking quick actions now. First, check firmware and model in settings because mismatched packages cause failures. Once done, backup themes data to Samsung Cloud or a local file. This prevents data loss when you reset. Next, disable third-party launchers and theme apps since they often conflict with Samsung themes. These steps clear the path for deeper fixes. Make sure to keep your device charged above 30% and on Wi-Fi to speed downloads and restores. You now tackle the messy middle, corrupted app files and bad updates. Start by clearing Samsung themes cache and data because cache state often blocks theme loads. Then force stop and reboot to flush memory. You might get immediate success. If not, update themes via Galaxy Store, since updates fix bugs, or uninstall updates to return to a stable version. Also reset app preferences to restore disabled services. Each action addresses a specific root cause, so proceed stepwise and test themes after each change. You finish by reapplying the theme and confirming a clean state. Try downloading an official Samsung theme that matches your model because mismatched assets fail to load. If problems persist across updates and caches, consider a factory reset as a last resort. Back up everything and restore selectively to avoid reintroducing the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to isolate third-party app conflicts. If themes work in safe mode, uninstall recently added apps. This proves cause and guides the next fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.